Good morning, children. Welcome to your EVS 2 lecture. So, children, as usual, let's recap. This chapter, Shivaji's Childhood, lesson number 4, part 2 summary. We are going to recap first. Last session, I will tell you what we had done. Shivaji used to play with the children of Maulas. Who were Maula's children? Yes, they were his friends. He used to enjoy their meals with onion and bhakri. He used to play interesting games with them, and they used to also imitate sounds of birds and animals. And lastly, they used to make elephants, small forts, and horses. With what? With earth. Earth or earthen means to make out of soil, mitti se banana. Thus he became very popular. Now I will continue with our new session. First topic, Shahaji Raje towards Mughals. Shahaji Raje returned to Nizam Shahi all right, but he did not get any peace of mind there. What is peace of mind, children? Shanti nahi milni. Why? I will tell you. Because Nizam Shah was himself a fickle-minded person who readily believed in all gossips. Fickle-minded means chanchal buddhi ka, and gossip means to talk unnecessarily about others. Okay, so because of this behavior of Nizam Shahi, there were many conspiracies and petty rivalries in the court. And what happened, children? Due to that, this led to the killing of Lakhuji Rao Jadhav. Who was Lakhuji Rao Jadhav? He was the father of Jijabai. Yes, Nizam Shah ने बहकाया था. So Shahaji Raje got angry with this and he couldn't withstand this. Infuriated with this, he left Nizam Shahi and joined the Mughals. Infuriated means angrily. Now what happened, children? Pay attention carefully. Nizam Shahi was, as soon as Shahaji Raje joined the Mughals, Shah Jahan was the emperor of Mughal. He was the emperor and he made him a sardar at his court. Now secretly means bina bataye, Fateh Khan killed Nizam Shah and there was a complete anarchy in the state. Anarchy means avyavastha rajya, a chaos in the state. It became evident that Fateh Khan was treacherously planning to enable the Mughals to swallow Nizam Shahi, यानी कि निज़ाम शाही किंगडम को पूरी तरह से डिस्ट्रॉय कर देना. In return, the Mughals rewarded him with the territory under the control of Shahaji Raje. Now Shahaji Raje, he was enraged with this, that Mughals and Nizam Shahi are making plans. So he left the service of the Mughals and he decided to teach him a lesson. यानी कि उसने decide किया सबक सिखाना. Now let's go to another topic. Founding of a new Nizam Shahi. Shahaji Raje found out a child heir from the Nizam Shah's family to be the next Nizam Shah on the fort of Pemgiri near Junar. Now children, you can see this fort is Pemgiri. There he found a heir. Heir means एक निज़ाम शाह family का वारिस. And when he found out, he declared him a new Nizam Shah. This established, he established altogether a new kingdom between the rivers of Godavari and Neera. Shahaji Raje fought vigorously. Vigorously means जोरों के साथ लड़ना. And he protected this new state. Adil Shah was with him in his efforts. But what happened, children? Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, he himself marched towards south upon Shahaji Raje. Means he was against Shahaji Raje and he threatened Adil Shah not to help him. Adil Shah, he signed a treaty of friendship with Mughals against Shahaji Raje. Now there was a plan going on between Adil Shah and Mughals. Now Shahaji Raje was left alone. So what did he do? He now began to fight the joint forces of Mughals and Adil Shah using guerrilla tactics. What is guerrilla tactics, children? It means a war to fight with a technique. But he couldn't sustain the war. Who couldn't sustain? Shahaji Raje. Because it was really very difficult. He was all alone. Now in the year 1636, he signed a treaty of peace with Mughals. He could not create his own kingdom as the times were not favorable because he was all alone. But yet he had a daring spirit, and with that confidence he built up among all Marathi people. This also helped Shivaji Raje in establishing Swaraj after a period of time. Now we will see the next topic, Jijabai and Shivaji in Karnataka. Now you will see how they went to Karnataka. After the downfall of Nizam Shahi established by Shahaji Raje, its territory was divided by the Mughals. Now the Mughals divided their territory. Shahaji Raje joined Adil Shah services. Now here you will see what happened. Sometime after the departure of Shahaji Raje to Karnataka, Jijabai and Shivaji also joined him there. Now you can see this map of India and the red one is Karnataka. Shivaji's childhood in Maharashtra had been very hectic. After some time, the departure of Shahaji Raje to Karnataka, Jijabai and Shivaji also joined him there. Shivaji's childhood in Maharashtra was very hectic. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka. At that time, Shivaji was young and he used to hear stories of the brave deeds of his father. Yes, Jijabai and Shivaji got some peace there, means Shanti mili, when they arrived in Karnataka. Shahaji Raje defeated many kings in Karnataka and thus Adil Shah awarded him, you can see here Bangalore. Adil Shah awarded him with the Jagir of Bangalore. Now Shahaji Raje made the city of Bangalore his headquarters. Headquarters means the capital, from where he can start his work. He lived there with all his trappings of a king and began to summon the court. Trapping means tap jhap karna, all the work. He carried out all his work. And summon means to send order to people. Okay children, so thank you for today's session. Here we end up this chapter, lesson 4. Hope you all have understood. Now I will give you the homework in writing. Thank you.